This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get daily update on my gold analysis videos. So when we look at the economical events calendar planned for today, mostly we are having low impacting news planned. At 10 AM we have high impacting news planned on Australian dollar. Again at 3:30 PM we have medium impacting news planned for British pound. Apart from these, we have only low impacting news planned for today. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'll be doing the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame and will be sharing you the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. Please use it as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exit. Since market is very dynamic, I would recommend you to do your own analysis before deciding on your trade entry or exit. When we look at the price action from daily time frame, again I am drawing the channel pattern connecting all the lows over here, and based on this channel pattern, the current price action is still trading within a bullish channel pattern. So the price action is still following the previous bullish channel pattern. Only when the price action breaks the support line or the trend line, it will be a bearish trend reversal in daily time frame. And when we closely analyze the current price action, only this area, I am again drawing a channel pattern. So according to this channel pattern, the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend. We have noticed the price to steadily follow on a bearish trend, testing this resistance line and the support line. It has not broken this resistance line or it has not broken this support line also. It is trading within a bearish channel pattern, and currently we have noticed a price action to take support on this previous bullish channel pattern support line and to bounce back on a retracement. So when we look at the resistance and support levels for daily time frame, the immediate support is going to be around 1805 and next level of support is going to be around 1782, and if the price action breaks the support level of 1782, it will be a bearish trend reversal because it will be breaking the previous bullish channel pattern, and next level of support is going to be around 1761. And if the price action takes support and bounces back on the bullish retracement also, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1830. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame also we are clearly noticing the price action to trend on a bearish channel pattern. So currently we have noticed a price action to take support on this bearish channel pattern support line or the trend line. Wait for the price action to break this support line in order to take trades on the bearish side. The next level of support is going to be around 1785, and if the price action bounces back from this support level of 1804, we can expect it to take resistance on the daily time frame bearish channel resistance line and to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal, because overall trend of the price action in daily time frame is on a bearish side. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame and I am drawing a resistance line for the hourly time frame. Based on this resistance lines, currently we are noticing the price action to trade below this resistance line, which means that the current price action is in a bearish trend. Again we have the support line or trend line from the 4 hours time frame bearish channel pattern. Wait for the price action to break this previous low of 1804 in order to take trades on the bearish side. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, you can take trades on the bullish side, but the overall trend from the higher time frame is on a bearish side. So I would recommend you to take trades on the bearish side to get a better profit. And if the price action breaks this support line, next level of support is going to be around 1783. So according to this trend line, we can notice that price action has bounced back from this resistance line and it has given a trend reversal on the bearish side, but wait for it to break the previous low in order to get a confirmation on the continuation of the bearish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance lines. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. Currently we have noticed the price action to bounce back from this resistance line from the hourly time frame, and also we are noticing the price action to bounce back from this resistance line also. I am drawing one more support line or trend line for 30 minutes time frame also. So according to this support line or trend line, currently the price action is under consolidation within this resistance line and the 30 minutes time frame support line. Wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bearish side or on the bullish side to take a directional trades. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is consolidating. Wait for a directional breakout to take a directional trade on the bullish side or on the bearish side. Closely watch for a indecision candle or a trend reversal candle like this in order to enter into a directional trade. And the candle has to form at the resistance levels, then only it is valid. Candle forming in the middle of a trend is not a valid, it will be a continuation of the trend. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame. Again in 5 minutes time frame also we are noticing the price action to consolidate within this resistance and support level. Currently the price action has taken support on this trend line from the 30 minutes time frame and it is on a retracement. Since this is a lower time frame, we can notice multiple trends in 5 minutes time frame. So I would recommend you to take trades based on the higher time frame trends. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. I would recommend you to draw trend lines like this in order to understand the current price action. So currently we have noticed the price action to take support on this trend line or the support line and to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. Wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to take trades on the bullish side. Next level of resistance is going to be around 1809. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button to show your support and share this video with your friends.